All right, I got impatient and didn't want to hold the camera as I was putting everything back together. But first thing I want to say is that if I had those two wheels, I could have taken those wheels and replaced them and everything would have been fine. What you do have to do if you don't have a tool that takes off the back wheel, there's a little bolt. I think it's this number 17 metric bolt. So if you don't have a tool that goes up behind there and holds that bolt and twists it so you can take the wheel off, then you actually have to take the back of the dryer mount out, which is easy. It's just about 4 screws in the back side and lifts right out. So that's what I did. Changed the wheels. They came in today, and then put the wheels back, snap back in the water clip. This one has a water hose to it for steaming and stuff. Put the clip ring back in, got everything cleaned up, put the drum back in. I used the same belt because the new belt needed to be stretched or something because it was way too hard to try to put the belt on. So I used the old belt and everything was fine. And I did change the spring tensioner pulley arm and the actual wheel. I replaced that in the 2 back wheels. I left the same drum belt, put the drum back in, put everything back in together, and just wanted to have you guys at least hear it when it was completed. So as you can tell, it's just nice and normal sound with the drum going around on the wheels. So we just finished a wash load, and I'm going to put a wash load in there and put a little bit of weight in there to see if it makes any other noise. I'll be right back. Okay, I just put a full load in there of wet clothes. So let's see how this thing sounds. Put on heavy duty. Perfect. Awesome. Well, that's it, folks. That's all you have to do. If you hear a noise like that, plenty of videos out there to help you fix it. Do it yourself. Probably saved about $350 doing that. Take care.